Hey, Olivia, one thing that I thought might be helpful um, to explain this question. So the question says, 2 nights ago, there was a first quarter moon. What phase of the moon will you see tonight? So I thought we could look at this, and this is a picture of somebody who tracked the moon's phases each night for a month. So you can see how it starts pretty dark and then you start to see more and more light appear and then the light goes away. So I know it's kind of hard to wrap your mind around because there's not a set amount of time that each moon phase takes. It all depends on um, where Earth is in its orbit. So one thing that I thought would be helpful to look at for this question. So it says, 2 nights ago, there was a first quarter moon. What phase of the moon will you see tonight? So with a first quarter moon, we'll just pretend that this happened on Sunday the 14th. That means you can see half of the moon. So half of the moon is dark and half of it is lit up. And then if we look at 2 days later, over here on the 16th, hopefully you can see that this side where my pointer is, this side is brighter, so you can technically see more of it. And that's what creates that little sliver that you can't see. So for waxing gibbous, that means it's more than halfway lit up. So we went from halfway lit up in that first quarter moon, which lasted, looks like about 2 days. And then it shifts a little bit to where this lit up side is greater than the dark side. And when that happens, that would be called a waxing gibbous. So that means it's more than halfway lit up. So when you guys go to answer your question, rather than just counting over here, you can just look at what comes after your first quarter moon. So your first quarter moon is the one that's halfway lit up, and you don't just bounce over 1, 2. We have to kind of wrap our minds around the fact that those moon phases last a couple of days before that change happens. So I thought this calendar might be able to show you that. All right, let me know if you have any more questions, and I hope that helps.